Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about the mod of the continuous class interval. Now first of all, try to understand the definition of the mod. Mod is the value of the data which occur most frequently. It is denoted by the English alphabet Z. The formula of the mod for the continuous class interval is given by Z is equal to L plus f1 minus f naught divided by 2 times f1 minus f naught minus f2 the multiplied with the h. Now what are the meaning of the alphabets used here? Now first of all we locate the class with maximum frequency. हमें पहले वो क्लास फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं डाटा में जिसकी मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी है and that class is called model class. Now in the formula of the mod of Z, the L represents the lower limit of the model class, H represents the size of the model class. Here you should be see that all the classes have the same size, and F1 the frequency of the model class, that is the maximum frequency, F2 the frequency of the class succeeding the model class, and F0 the frequency of the class preceding the model class. So these are the notations which are used in the finding the mod of the continuous class interval. Now let us discuss the question with this formula. Exercise second and question number 1. Now here we have to find the mod of the data. The data is given age in year and number of the patient admitted in a hospital. Age from 5 to 15, the number of patients are 6. From 15 to 25, number of patients are 11. And from 25 to 35, number of patients are 21. From 35 to 45, number of patients are 23. From 45 to 55, number of patients are 14. And from 55 to 65, number of patients are 5. Now first of all, we locate the model class. Here maximum frequency occur 23. It is corresponding to the class interval 35 to 45. It means this 35 to 45 represent the model class. Here lower limit is 35, upper limit is 45. In the formula of mod we need lower limit. And what is the size length of the class interval? It is equal to 10. 45 minus 35, it is equal to 10. So we represent h is equal to 10. The f1 represent the frequency of the model class, f0 frequency of the model class preceding to it, frequency of the preceding to the model class, and f2 frequency of the succeeding class, succeeding the model class. And now after this, after calculating all these values, let us apply the formula. Mod is equal to lower limit plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2 times f1 minus f0 minus f2 whole into h. So it is a lower limit is 35, f1 is 23, and then f0 is 21, then 2 times f1, 2 times 23 minus f0 that is 21 minus f2 that is 14, multiply with size of the class that is h. Now it is 35, 23 minus 21 that is 2, 2 into 10 in the numerator, in the denominator 2 into 23 46 minus 21 minus 14 we get minus 35, and it becomes 2 into 10 20 divided by 11 plus there is a 35. So 20 upon 11 it is approximately 1.8. So 35 plus 1.8 we get 36.8. It is the mod of the data. The unit of this number is year because it is a mod of the continuous class interval which represent the age of the patient. Is it clear how to calculate the mod beta? Now try to attempt other questions with the same formula and with the same procedure. Okay, is it clear beta? Now complete the exercise. If there is a difficulty then ask in the next lecture. Okay beta.